the onion, ginger garlic paste. There's a lot of drugs over here.
Have you guys ever gone to the bathroom?
Sir, we have to wipe our bums and all, sir. No problem. Why don't we just do it with chai?
Or am I just weird?
People are unique and everyone should be respected. Oh. We are staying in a place called Dam Road. Every trip requires a mandatory bad sleep the previous night.
Could I sit on the chair and stand?
Long time ago, in the land of IRCTC, there was a shortage of water. The king, Iyer the king, he decided, no problem guys, why don't we just have chai? Sir, we have to wipe our bums and all, sir. No problem. Why don't we just do it with chai? Not a bad idea. Hey guys, what's up? We are going to Pune right now.
I found 7 white doves.
How many doves did you see?
7.
No, I'm talking to them.
We have reached Pune, guys, and I see around. Don't you see the contrast in packing with parents? Like your dad carries a backpack and your mom carries the other essentials that he needs. Mom using all 4 of her hands with 2 children on her side.
Dam Road.
Dam Road? We are staying in a place called Dam Road. Life can't get more perfect. Samaji, I've been in Pune. Guys, fun fact, Punes are not from Pune. If you ever assumed that they are, please check yourself. Check yourself out! No, okay. What levels of self-love that we have gone. We be in Pune. We chillin' in Pune. We walking down the streets of Pune. It's kind of cool. I mean, not literally, but there's a street next to my house, okay? It's just 5 minutes away. Only 5 minutes away. And I have never been to that street. And I was only assuming that if my house was only 100 meters away from where it is right now, my whole perception of the roads coming home, going from home would change. Like there is a different life out of my 4 walls that is just 100 meters away. Forget that, your neighbor in your building. There is a different life inside their 4 walls. You like pav bhaji in your house, they like sev puri in their house. And that is very common for them, which is not common for you. Bro, in my house I don't like chaat and all, bro. I love to chat, but I don't like chaat. But in their house it's like, bro, we love chaat. And you're like, wow, that's crazy. People are unique and everyone should be respected. Whoa.
Have you guys ever gone to the bathroom, started to piss and then flushed? And the game is you guys have to end your piss and the water should settle at the same time. Or am I just weird? I'm weird.
Hello. Don't edit this part out. Let your viewers watch it. It's kind of funny.
So we are filming something for Daniel. He had done a challenge earlier but it failed. So now he's gonna do a punishment where he drinks a burger. Let's see what he has in his fridge. Wow, there's a bone.
That's for gold.
Oh, wow. There's a lot of drugs over here. Are you into like selling of drugs?
No, you don't have to see
Oh,
that.
so that's my phone. We have to make the most horrible drink for Daniel. Weren't we supposed to order a burger and all to Biscuit? We are not ordering a burger because we don't have any funds.
Sorry guys, हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है. It's actually sriracha. नहीं. Sriracha.
Sriracha?
You have my mom if I can use something.
Bolt's bone. So he's asking mom to like tell him how to make his life worse, but moms can't make your life worse.
Well, I think many of these things don't go with each other, but I think that's the point.
So guys, we have finally come to the recipe. What should we name the drink?
The drink of doom.
The drink of doom.
he's in a dilemma where he failed a challenge. So he has to punish himself in order to get new subscribers.
It's okay.
His tummy is not okay with that. His heart is happy, his mind is happy, but his tummy will not
Will not
be happy.
What do you call his son?
I'll survive. I'll make it.
I'll make it in college.
I'll be alive. The things we do for YouTube. The onion. I have not even washed this. Bread. An egg. I hope the shells don't fall inside. Egg with shells. Egg with shells. Soy sauce. Vinegar. Ginger garlic paste. Green chutney. Homemade green chutney. Milk. The packet's leaking. Ah! It's very important to season what you eat. Just a dash of salt.
That's a lot
Right?
of salt.
No, just a dash.
That's an accident, bro.
Just a dash of pepper. Just a dash. Only the skin. I won't get the luxury of even tasting the mango. Yummy for my tummy. Let's blend this thing up. I think we should pray before this.
Father God, we bless this food. We bless the hands that have made this food. Oh, I can't smell it. I can feel it.
You're gonna have to try this
Bro,
first.
what are you saying?
You're gonna have to try this first.
It's really not that bad.
Yeah?
Yeah. But I would not have another sip.
Let me hold the camera for you.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. We have John today. He's gonna sing us a song. Okay, he's not gonna sing us a song, but we still love him and see you in the next vlog.